Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock your LENOVO Tab K11 without password. Alright, so let's begin. But let me tell you a few things. First thing is, please only try to unlock your phone, in no other case someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime, and that's also unethical. Second thing is that we need to perform a factory reset using the recovery mode, and basically we will lose all of our data. And the third thing is that after the reset, when we get into the setup process, there is a chance that the phone will want you to verify yourselves, or by typing the screen lock. Of course, we won't be able to do it because we cannot remember it, but there is the second option, and it's signing in into the Google account into which we are signed in before the reset. If you also don't remember it, there's a chance that you will have to perform a bypass of this Google verification. On our channel you can find videos how to do it. Alright, let me show you that everything is basically locked. I cannot remember our password, we can even lock the screen. And now, how to enter recovery mode. We need to power off our device, so click power button and volume up button at the same time and select power off. We also need to connect our tab into PC or laptop using USB-C cable, but don't connect it yet, because to enter recovery mode we need to hold both volume keys at the same time, and while we are holding them we need to insert our cable. So let me show you how to do it. Hold both volume keys, and while you are holding, insert the cable. Don't release the fingers from volume keys, we need to keep holding until the recovery mode launches. It's going to take a little bit. You can see that the Lenovo logo appeared. And now we are in recovery mode. Now I will place my phone, my tab, flat, so you'll be able to see everything. Now, using volume keys, we need to select wipe data / factory reset, confirm by clicking power button, my bad. Okay. Remember that everything will be deleted, you can also read about it. And now select factory data reset, confirm. The process is now started. Alright, it's finished. Now simply select reboot system now and confirm by clicking the power button. Now we just need to simply wait until our tab turns on, and then we have to go through the setup process. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.